Y'all keep overcomplicating this AI stuff. Like you need 10 different apps just to make one character talk. Nah, baby, it's not that deep. I built whole videos, consistent characters from one single image. One. And I'm not gatekeeping. The problem is, half of y'all keep scrolling instead of locking in. You say you want a channel, but you don't want to learn the system. I'm about to show you how to do it the right way. One tool, one image, and zero excuses. Let's get into it. To keep your character consistent, you're going to come over to Google Gemini. It's free. This tab here, that's Nano Banana, so you can keep your character consistent. Now you can upload an image that you already have of your AI avatar or character, or you can put in a prompt of what you want your character to look like. I'm going to upload a picture. So this is my image that I have of my character. And then I'm going to put in a prompt of what I want Google Gemini to change. Here's my prompt. And then once you have your prompt and your image, you're going to click generate. Once it's done, this is what it created. So it's the same face, same everything else, changed her hair, her background, and her clothes. Now I'm going to put something else in, and then I kept her hair the same, but I changed her scenery. Now you can change anything. You can make her hair straight, make her hair curly and purple. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you one more time. So I uploaded my image, and I'm going to show you that you can put something in instead of a prompt. So I'm just going to say, give her a new baddie look and see what pops up. This is the image that pops up. So this is really cute. So if you want to change anything like her hair, say make her hair green, and then it will show her hair green. So it's the same image, just changed her hair. Now you can change anything, clothes, background, makeup, anything you want. That's how I created this image of my girl, this image. You're just going to put in what you want your character to look like, and this is how you keep her consistent. Now, once you have the image you want, or images, you're going to save it to your phone up in the corner. Now, to get rid of the watermark and to make the image clearer, you're going to go over to Canva. Canva is where you're going to do the editing for your image. Now, you can either stretch the picture out so that you can't see the watermark, or you can go to the bottom and you can click Magic Studio. And then you're going to click Magic Eraser. Now what you're going to do is just strike a line through it, and then it will erase the watermark. As you can see, it's gone. Now to get your image more clear, you're going to go back down to the bottom, and you're going to slide and click on Apps. Once you're in Apps, slide again and click Image Upscaler. Now it will ask you, do you want your image to be 2x, 4x, or 8x? I usually use 4x, and then you click Upscale. Now, it's really up to you which one you choose. Now, as you go down, it will show you the difference. Then you click Replace if it's up to your standards. I mean, who doesn't want a clear image, right? So once the image is done, as you can see, it's way more clearer than the other one. Now you're going to want your images or image to move and lip sync. Now there's two ways to do this. There is the easy way where you just have to use one tool, and the advanced way that you'll probably prefer more. The first way is through Dzine. So once you're in Dzine, you're going to go over to lip sync. Once you're in lip sync, you're going to either upload an image or a video. But the best part is that even if you upload an image, it will still give movement, because that's what the Pro feature does. This is how you skip the middleman of doing a video. Now you're going to upload your image, and then you're going to click select, and then you click next. You can select up to 4 characters in one scene so that you can make multiple people talk in one scene with movement and lip sync. I have a video, it's linked right there at the top, and you can click it if you're interested. Now, once you're done, you're going to add a voice. What you're going to do is click pick a voice, and then it will take you here. Now, you can choose one of these great voices and add text, or you can use a voice that you've created from your voice or an 11 Labs audio. I'm just going to use their built-in. I'm going to say, hey, I'm Mila. I'm going to show you how to create moving, talking AI avatars, and this is the easy way. Then I'm going to choose
for your
one.
podcast or social media.
I like Hope, and then I'm going to click generate. Once that's generated, which it only takes a couple seconds, you're going to slide down and click apply so that it applies to the image. Once you're done and you have your image and your lip sync, you're going to click on Pro because that's what's going to give you movement and clarity. Normal just gives you the most movements for lip sync, but you want it all, right? So then you click Generate. Once the video is done, this is what it will look like. I'm on a phone, so I'm going to download it so I can show it to you bigger. And then you download it right to your phone and this.
Hey, I'm Mila. I'm going to show you how to create a moving talking AI avatar, and this is the easiest way.
So it turned out really well. Now you can make the video longer. I think it's up to 30 seconds. You can create a video of her talking with hand movements and everything else. Now, this is the second way. You're going to click on AI video and upload an image, upload a prompt, and you're going to choose the model. Now, first we're going to upload our image, and then we're going to put in a prompt. I already have one. And then you're going to click the model that you want the video generator to be. Now, they have a whole bunch. They have Kling, they have Sora 2, Juan, they have Cedience. I usually use Kling or Cedience, but today I am going to be using Kling 2.1 Pro. Once I'm done, you can see at the bottom, it will let you choose the duration. So I usually choose 10 because I want my video as long as possible. The less editing, the better for me. So then you're going to go down and you'll see imagination. In the lower part of imagination, that lets Dzine use its creativity. The higher, the more relevant to your prompt. I usually keep mine in the middle, but after you're done everything, you're going to click Generate. I am on a phone, so it is going to be small, so I am going to download it and show you. Here is the prompt. So way more movement. She's walking, cars are driving by. This looks way better. If this is what you're looking for, do this way instead. But the Dzine way is also great. Now what you're going to do is save it to your phone and go over to Capcut. Now you do not need a paid subscription for to use this the way I'm going to show you. What you're going to do is click on the video that's 10 seconds and you're going to go to the bottom and click on duplicate. Now you have two. Now, do you see how it's like a little tick, how it doesn't really continue into the next clip? You're going to use the transition button for this and make it look like it's transitioning. So I'm going to click on blur just to see what that looks like, which it looks like incredible. But there's a different way that I have used many times. You're just going to take the second clip and you're going to click reverse. Now, this only works if the person isn't walking forward or they're not doing something where you can't loop it in a way it doesn't look like it's being looped. So this is what it would look like if you did do that. So she's walking backwards. Wouldn't work. So maybe if she's like sitting down or something like that, you could do that. But if you can't, just use a transition. Transitions are great. There's some really good ones on Capcut. You can just click blend and let's see what some of these look like. Mix, that looks good. Blur, I'm going to say probably looks the best. Dissolve, no. Black fade will probably look good too. But we're just going to keep the transitions off for now so we can get this video lip synced and then we'll add the transition. So what you're going to do is save the video, export it from Capcut. Once you have the video exported, you're going to go over to Sync.so. I've used this numerous times. It is the best lip sync I've ever seen. You're going to click Create Project. It is way more mobile friendly now. So click Create Project and name your project. I literally just put in some words, but I'm just going to put in mine and then I'm going to create. Now you upload the video that we just put together in Capcut. And once you have that uploaded, you're going to upload a voiceover. So the voiceover that you created on 11 Labs or the one that you've recorded. Once everything's loaded, you're going to click lip sync. It only takes a couple minutes to lip sync. Actually, it depends how long the video is, but once it's done, this is what it will look and sound. Okay, Miss AI Baddie. Now keep that energy and join my Telegram, because that's where the baddies get the early tea. So yes, that looks way better. I do love the way Dzine does it because you don't have to do an image, get a video, do the lip sync. So I like how Dzine has it all together. Now it's not too expensive. It is a bit more pricey, but you can do up to 30 minutes of video. Generate up to 30 minutes of video. I usually just pay for the $5 one or the $19 one, and I just put all the images together, lip synced. that I generated on here. And that's usually what I do. So you don't need to spend too much to get really good lip sync. I really hope this helped in any way possible. If you've made it this far, congratulations. For real. You've got that focus most people don't. Stay locked in because I'm showing you exactly how to turn your ideas into real results. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Don't forget to join my Telegram for the real tea. See you in the next video.